Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add audio inside of Lmms. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so first things first, open up your Lmms player or application. Then from here, once you open it up, you want to go ahead and click onto this audio plus icon. Click onto that. Now you're going to see sample track going to be added in like so. So if we click onto it, you can see the effects chain, add effects if you want. Now you can click to the right of that anywhere where you'd like to add the audio. So you can add it in on the first second or 20 seconds. So if I want to add it, say the 15-second mark, I want to click onto it. We can drag it out to change the length of the audio. Now from here, you want to go ahead and double click onto it. Now it's going to open up your open audio file. So now this is where you can go ahead and upload your .wav, .ogg, .ds, .flac, etc. Now once you find it, go ahead and click on open, and that's going to import or add that audio track to your Lmms application.